Genesee County Parks, together with community partners, is restoring 140 feet of riparian habitat in the headwaters of Upper Black Creek at Genesee County Park and Forest. Using nature-based techniques to reduce erosion, this project not only protects a well-loved section of the creek, but also engages local youth and volunteers.
The Genesee County Park and Forest is the oldest county forest in New York State, and we're really lucky to be home to the headwaters of Black Creek. Black Creek is a tributary to the Genesee River. It is a really special part of the creek. It's the headwaters, which means the very beginning of the creek. It's where the creek starts. So we always try to give the creek a healthy start on its journey all the way to the Genesee River, and eventually that water is going to go to the Great Lakes, so Lake Ontario.
There's a lot of documented impairments from phosphorus and sediment in the Genesee River Basin, and the headwaters of Black Creek has been identified as a major contributor of that phosphorus and sediment. At this site specifically, the reason we're seeing erosion is because the channel has become constricted, increasing the water velocity. So as that water velocity increases, it takes the soil off of the stream bank. That soil includes sediment, and it also includes nutrients, and they're reducing water quality in all those water bodies downstream.
I'm really excited to not only see this area become restored and a healthier riparian ecosystem, but also to bring students and volunteers to be a part of that process.
This project is really important for students to get engaged and educated on why their waterways are connected to the greater Great Lakes ecosystem. My role is to actually help those students make those connections between what they see here locally and what happens on our wildlife refuge and eventually in the Great Lakes. When they see that happening, they can take a sense of responsibility and become the next generation of conservation leaders.
I'm excited for the students to have an opportunity to take the lessons that they've learned in a controlled environment and apply them to an environment that has uncontrollable variables to see how they can apply what they've learned to real-world situations on the ground.
We have a long history of protecting this area and being good stewards for the forest. So it's very exciting to bring all these different partners together, collaborate on a project like this, and be able to continue that history of stewardship and improve Black Creek and connect students to that work.